Visiting New York City could be very costly, especially if you go to all the visitor attractions. You could have a lot of fun in this city, even if you don't have much money. So my objective is to put together a fun itinerary in the cheapest way possible. The cheapest ways to navigate the city is by walking. This allows you to explore the city thoroughly but not have to spend a lot of money. If you get tired, you can take pit stops along the way so you do not have to walk continuously. Our first stop is Central Park. For over 150 years, visitors have flocked to this park located in the heart of Manhattan. The park attracts over 25 million visitors a year and is a popular tourist destination. If you want, you can pack lunch and have a picnic there, so you don't have to worry about buying expensive food in this city. There is much to do in Central Park. You can easily spend half a day here. Next on the itinerary is the Rockefeller Center. Rockefeller Center is a historic landmark in the center of Midtown Manhattan. The Rockefeller Center is free to visit as long as you stay on the ground floor. You may also go ice skating at the Rockefeller Center, but that might not be in your budget. This attraction has it all, from the top of the hill observatory, Radio City Music Hall, NBC Studios, and a lot of shops and restaurants you can browse. Top of the Rock has 3 levels of indoor and outdoor observatory decks and delivers spectacular, unobstructed views of the city skyline. Of course, you must pay to visit, but if it's in your budget, you should probably go there. Welcome to Times Square! Times Square is one of the busiest pedestrian areas in the world and is also the hub of the Broadway Theater District. Times Square is famous for its digital billboards. You can actually rent out one of these digital billboards. Times Square also offers numerous shopping opportunities for tourists and locals alike. The great thing about visiting Times Square is that it offers fantastic use of the city for free. If you really want to visit places like top of the Rock Observatory or the Empire State Building, you can consider purchasing the New York CityPass, which costs $129 per person and includes admission to attractions such as the Empire State Building, the top of the Rock Observatory, ferry access to the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island, the 9/11 Memorial Museum, and the American Museum of Natural History. That concludes the trip for today. The only money spent on the day was for food and transportation, which I don't think is bad for NYC.